Hello students, today's topic is de Broglie concept, and in this concept de Broglie explained the dual nature of matter. Dual nature of matter like wave and particles, and he explained the when the macroscopic particles having mass and traveling with normal speed, the de Broglie wavelength is so small that their measure is not possible. तो जो कोई भी मैक्रोस्कोपिक पार्टिकल्स लाइक जिनका साइज बिग होता है, ठीक, उनका जो पर्टिकुलर मास होगा और वो किसी नॉर्मल स्पीड से भी ट्रैवल कर रहे होंगे, तो जो उनकी वेवलेंथ होगी उसको हम मेज़र नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि वो बहुत स्मॉल है। तब हम वहाँ पे एक माइक्रोस्कोप यूज़ करते हैं जिसके लिए फॉर्मूला होता है वेवलेंथ को कैलकुलेट करने के लिए। देन डी ब्रोगली एक्सप्लेन द कैलकुलेशन फॉर द वेवलेंथ which is very small, so we can use the electron microscope. The formula is lambda is equals to h upon p. Lambda is wavelength, h is Planck constant, p is momentum, and for the momentum h is equals to mv is equals to, in the terms of kinetic energy, the formula is h upon root 2 m ek, whereas ek is kinetic energy. So h is equals to Planck constant whose value is 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 unit to second. M is mass of particles, suppose mass of electron. If in the question the electron term is used, then the mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. V is equals to velocity, which is always given in the question. P is momentum. So how to solve this type of questions? Let's see. The question is calculate the momentum of a particle. क्या फाइंड करना है? मोमेंटम यानी कि P, which has a de Broglie wavelength is 1 angstrom, that is 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Given क्या है? Wavelength 10 to the power minus 10 meter, and also given the value of h. H is equals to 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34 with unit kg meter square second inverse. Now we have to put the formula related to wavelength and momentum. The formula is lambda is equals to h upon p. So now the solution is, by the cross multiply, p is equals to h upon lambda is equals to value of h is 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34 upon the value of lambda is 10 to the power minus 10. When the denominator values is going to the numerator value, then the momentum is equals to 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34 into 10 to the power plus 10, that is 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 24. यूनिट क्या आएगी? लेट्स चेक. h की यूनिट क्या है? kg मीटर स्क्वायर सेकेंड इनवर्स, अपॉन में लैम्डा मीटर, मीटर से मीटर कैंसिल आउट, क्या बचा? kg मीटर्स पर सेकेंड. This is the unit of momentum, kg meter second inverse. This is a solution. थैंक यू क्लास।